TVJ, I never know someone couldn't ball to. I never know someone have problem with the government. You can't do good journalism because the government want to know. If you say what them want to know, if you say. Oh. So now make no voice be heard now. So look how long me tell you say Andrew Holness is a dictator leader. And him go see him like how Israel do. Censor the press. So them a censor the press, them a censor TVJ. Jamaica now make Andrew Holness do that. We did that tell you now. No TVJ, TVJ have problem. The government has censored them, they don't go and talk with the government want them to say. So, journalism, Andrew Holness will get rid of that. Free speech, that have to get rid of. Free press, that have to get rid of. That can't happen with Andrew Holness going down to the next general election. He not going to win. So TVJ on a ball. I soon the style out the road. Most of the country around with it, we have to make people know say no. The man straighter than blood clot arrow. So you see Jamaica? So what channel are telling us say the dictator is here? And I'm going to suppress every free speech in Jamaica. Everyone Andrew Holness are suppressed. And you know, are the people them when I work for giving the orders, you know. That's what me believe. The people them when work for, that's my understanding, my belief. Them are giving the orders, because you know, him are the hunger puppet. Then see right and know where we do for them job. Andrew Holness is the only puppet where the elites them see we do for them job. So, honestly say the Prime Minister oppress the nation. Big time. If you are oppressed bloggers and you are oppressed DVJ now, that's on CVM. So look upon this here, say journalists that get locked up because they say what the government don't want them to say. Because me not talk with me feel like we talk, say, no, I'm sorry. You know who ever stop that? But me continue to talk with me talk, say. But journalists, you have to be careful, you have to try to one straight and narrow line. Because you know, you don't believe we get the country unified now. We alone are black for the country unified together and get up and rise up against this government. But the people them still segregated, so I'm not going to hang on, I'm not going to see where I reach, you know. You see, because of the segregation, you shall all fall. You see Andrew Holness I do, you see damage of Andrew Holness. Me tell you, say the star will play in boss now. The star will pass. Me rather see 10 more hit pass through Jamaica more than one more year Andrew Holness administration. Andrew Holness work worse than the storm. Andrew Holness administration worse than the storm will pass. But we soon realize and see for yourself. We say you and I come together and overthrow this man. No. Everybody segregated, said we. So stay segregated. Stay segregated, said we. TVJ on our ball. On our balls. Because Andrew Holness no want to talk the truth. And I was to continue to tell the lie them. That do not get paid for tell lie. And do not pay when you talk the truth. So you better know that.
A total of 8 parliamentarians are now being investigated for illicit enrichment. The additional 2 are contained in the Integrity Commission's 2023-24 annual report tabled in Parliament yesterday. The Commission says it has made no comment on the status of any investigation that may be related to any specific illicit enrichment referral, as it has no power in law to do so. The Commission has been criticized for its failure to provide further information on the 6 parliamentarians under investigation for illicit enrichment. Commenting further on the latest report, Chairman Justice Seymour Panton said the agency has no control over the complaints and allegations it receives. Meanwhile, 2 public officials are being investigated for allegations of illicit enrichment. In its annual report last year, the Commission had said that there were 28 public officials under investigation for that offence. 3 parliamentarians are also being investigated for providing false information to the anti-corruption body, while 4 public officials are under investigation for the same offence. And the Integrity Commission says the processes regarding the certification of the statutory declarations of Prime Minister Andrew Holness are nearing completion. The Commission's Chairman Justice Seymour Panton gave the update in his remarks in the agency's annual report for 2023-24, tabled in the House of Representatives yesterday. More in this report. Mr. Holness's declarations for 2021 have not been certified, which has affected subsequent submissions. The issue has been a major source of political controversy and concern from civil society. Justice Panton noted that much has been written and said in respect of the non-certification of the Prime Minister's income, assets and liabilities. But he says the Director of Information and Complaints is required to examine the declarations, and where he is satisfied that it has been duly completed, he is to inform the Commission. Justice Panton explains that to satisfy himself of the due completion of a statutory declaration, the Director shall make such enquiries as he considers necessary. The enquiries are aimed at determining accuracy. Justice Panton says given the restrictions imposed by the Integrity Commission Act regarding statutory declarations generally and related matters, he cannot comment beyond what has been stated. In the meantime, the Integrity Commission Chairman chastised those calling for it to speak on matters relating to statutory declarations or investigations. The law restricts the Commission from making any report or public statement in relation to the initiation or conduct of an investigation by the Director of Investigation prior to the tabling of a report in Parliament. Justice Panton says the Commission awaits the amendments it has recommended that would allow it to make public statements.
The government of Jamaica should start draw money out of the police pay to fix the police cars and vans back.
And then fuck up the vehicle them. Yes. Where they ever pass on police station? And boy, what amount of bumbo-clad police vehicle me see pack up round the back there? Right? We get fuck. The government fi start jam money out of police them pay. And then fuck up the vehicle them. Right? And then the police then come and work. You see? Not even one of them would have little conscience and say, watch you know? Let me check the gas. Eh? Let me check if it want oil. Let me check if it want water. Everybody just come. Gone. Gone. To a fucking free vehicle. Eh? To a government vehicle now drive. Uno fi have conscience. And uno mash up the fucking police vehicle them. And then turn real emergency. Uno nah nothing fi drive. You know much time people get gunshot and drop off a bike. You see? And the people they run the police station. Yeah, where police are tell the people them say vehicle broke down. Vehicle this, vehicle that. And uno na blood class service the thing them good. Catch you a free vehicle uno get. Uno fuck them up bad to bad. Me never from me born till now I never see a fuck up soldier van yet. Me never see a fucking every soldier van when me see always in a good condition. I never see a fuck up soldier truck yet. I never see a fuck up soldier van. Bad to bad. You see the soldier them then keep them vehicle clean. Me not tell no lie. Me not telling no lie. You see the soldier them keep them vehicle up and running. And the fucking soldier them vehicle should have fucking chaka. Cause them a soldier. Right? Cause soldier have to fight war and to go out in a battlefield. But the police them, Jesus Christ, sometimes you see some blood clot police wanna come in. Me have to say Jesus Christ. The police them fuck up the vehicle them. Them fuck them up. Eh? Boy God. Boy I don't know. If me and the fucking government you see. You not just fuck enter the blood clot Jeep get fuck and you want service. Well, money I get shot, you know. Just know some money I get shot cause that have a fix back. The government are broken into blood clot bad.